Thank you for staying with us. Time for Channel 1 Business News. Value chain players in the agriculture sector want agriculture digitized to strengthen the country's food system to lower food prices. Hannah Reid, Agriculture Program Officer at Bill and Gates Foundation, says Bill and Melinda Foundation says digitizing agriculture is key in mitigating the effects of climate change on agriculture by mending the sector's value chain that has been affected by global fertilizer scarcity and high fuel prices.
Kenya is facing one of the worst droughts in 40 years that has seen over 3 million people in need of food aid. The food scarcity situation has further been compounded by the Russia-Ukraine conflict that has seen fuel and fertilizer prices increasing, making the cost of agriculture production out of reach for many small-scale farmers. Value chain players say there is need to strengthen the agriculture value chain and food systems through digital technology to expand critical services to smallholder farmers across the country.
Mercyco AgriFin focused specifically on smallholder farmers, working closely with private and public sector players to build digital solutions that we believe will improve the productivities, incomes, and resilience of smallholder farmers.
Digitization of agriculture services has been earmarked to address market failures that exclude smallholder farmers, particularly women, from access to investment services, markets, and support needed to increase productivity, income, and resilience in the face of the increasing risk of climate change.
What this shows is that there needs to be specific targeted activities to just support women to participate fully in the agricultural sector.
The government and the private sector have been encouraged to invest in technology tailor-made for women and other marginalized workers in the agricultural sector to boost production. Ndosamo Kami for Lunchtime News.